Welcome to Quiz Fun Fest. The quiz is about guessing the word. Some letters are provided. You will be shown visual clues and textual hints. You will have 5 seconds per word. Are you ready? The best treat for monkeys. If you don't give it to them, they will snatch it from you. Banana. The caterpillar is the best example of transformation. Butterfly. I don't need to take vitamin D supplements if I have this. Sunlight. Benjamin Franklin was instrumental in helping us understand this. Electricity. Jewelry that I like around my neck. Necklace. Itia for Cristiano Ronaldo. He is the best player. Fruit bale. A color-changing reptile. Chameleon. My place of work. I need a computer. Workstation. My favorite season when the flowers are in bloom. Spring. My first meal of the day. Breakfast. Largest mammal in the world. Blue whale. The fruit that will keep the doctor away. Apple. Extremely hot place with scarcity of water. Desert. I look forward to this festive season. In December. Christmas. Deception that was the fall of Troy. Trojan horse. My favorite superhero who needs a heart stabilizer. Iron Man. The element that can burn you. Fire. A flying machine with rotor blades. Helicopter. I am allowed to borrow books from here. Library. Feels like this dog was punched in the face. Bulldog. A tool I need to fix a nail into the wall. Hammer. Planet with rings. Saturn. I scream for this sweet frozen dessert. Ice cream. Shoes that I wear when I am into sports. Sneakers. You know you are safe when you are swimming as he is around. Lifeguard. Another word for table tennis. Ping pong. Clothes that I sleep in. Pajamas. Wind instrument also called the mouth organ. Harmonica. In the rainbow colors Vibgir, V is my favorite. Violet. The fastest feline. Cheetah. A car brand known for its fast cars. On the F1 track. Ferrari. Imparter of knowledge. Works in a school. Teacher. The device that will help you land safely when you skydive. Parachute. I need this to boil hot water for tea. Kettle. Built by bees with beeswax to store their brood, honey, and pollen. Honeycomb. What we all need after days of hard work. Holiday. Most popular Italian dish, made as a circle, delivered as a square and eaten as a triangle. Pizza. If you put the pieces together, you will get the whole picture. Jigsaw. A place where you find acrobats, clowns, and other entertainers perform. Circus. Every girl wants it on her engagement ring. Diamond. The part of the body that is used for walking and running. Legs. What you do with a cigarette, although you should try to avoid it. Smoke. This green cauliflower is high on vitamins. It's healthy food, so it cannot be tasty. Broccoli. I need a tooth extraction done. Any recommendations? Dentist. How many words did you get right? Share in the comments below. Enjoyed this quiz? Choose your next challenge shown on the screen.